Okay, class, so we've been learning a little bit about Google Sheets. Today I'm going to ask you to go shopping. We're going to pretend that you've been given a $150 Amazon gift card, and you're going to use this sheet to keep track of your items. What I'd like for you to do is to go shopping on Amazon, and I'd like for you to keep track of the name of the item here and the cost of the item. At some point, I'd like for you to add a sum function so that you keep track of the prices. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with this, and I'll show you what to do. So I'm going to click on Amazon to go ahead and get started shopping. And the first thing that I want to buy myself is a new iPhone case. I have an SE from 2020. Let's see what I could find. No, I'm missing the word case. All right, that helps because I don't want to buy the new phone. I just want the case itself. All right, so I think I kind of like this one, right? It's a ERS SE case. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get that. It's $9.99. So I put in here ESR iPhone SE case. $9.99. Okay, so I have my first item. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and continue doing that for each item. Okay, so when I get to the end here, I need to figure out what the price is. So to make this easier for myself, I think I'm going to go ahead and put in the function now. So as I keep on adding items, it lets me know how much money I spent. So the other day I showed you how to do this. I'm going to show you again. You start off with an equal sign. You type the word sum, and then you have a parentheses, and I put the first cell, which is B8. Then I do a colon, and then I put in the last cell, which is a B12. And then I close it with a closing colon, a parentheses. And there I go. So my price now is $9.99, right? Because that's the only item that I have here. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and keep on shopping. All right, let's see if I get some sneakers. I like Nike sneakers. Okay, Nike sneakers for women. These are pretty nice. $62. I got to put in my size shoe. All right, so, oh, $89. Jeez, that's a lot of money, but I could afford it. $89.59. Okay, so I'm going to say Nike sneakers. $89.59. Hit tab. Wow, so I'm starting to run out of some money, right? I got to buy 3 more items, but I got to be under 150. Okay, so as you can see, this is totaling it for me and giving me an idea as to how much money I have to spend. All right, I hope you guys have some fun with this project.